Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with one colorful recipe. So the jamuns are here. First we gonna wash the jamuns with rock salt and water. Wash thoroughly. Now the jamuns are perfectly ready to use. This fruit, its seeds and the bark of the tree are all medically useful. This fruit has unique taste and color. It is good for diabetes and skin. It cures the wound from stomach till intestine. It is good for heart health as well. So why you should include jamuns in your diet? Because the humble fruit is loaded with nutrients like protein, carbohydrate, calcium, iron, vitamin C, vitamin B, minerals, antioxidant, magnesium, potassium, glucose, fructose and fiber. Let's learn how to prepare the jamun smoothie. Remove the seeds and take the pulp. Add some lemon juice. Palm sugar. A pinch of salt. Add water and grind as a fine smoothie. Wow, the color is so attractive and trust me, the taste also yum. Thanks for watching.